The Dragons took on the Ospreys in an all-Welsh cup tie, and with both teams shorn of their international stars, it was the chance for the Welsh youngsters to show their stuff in front of a noisy Rodney Parade crowd. It was the home side who opened the scoring, with fly half Steffan Jones slotting over a penalty with just a minute on the clock. He repeated the effort 5 minutes later when the Ospreys were penalised again for not rolling away at the breakdown. This was to become a common theme throughout the game, and when Dragons number 8 Ian Jones was caught slowing the ball down, he was shown the first of 3 yellow cards in this game. Mathew Morgan slotted the resulting penalty. Barely 5 minutes after Jones had been sent to the bin, opposite number Morgan Allen was joining him for exactly the same offence. Steffan Jones sent over his third penalty, but the Ospreys hit back through the boot of Morgan, and the sides went in 9-all at the break. The weather that had been bad when the game kicked off was now becoming horrendous, and both teams were struggling to create any rhythm. Steffan Jones had managed to put the home side ahead before the Ospreys scored the game's only try. From an attacking line-up, the forwards set the driving maul. Although that stopped just short, Jonathan Thomas was able to wriggle his way over and dot down to put the visitors ahead for the first time in the match. The Ospreys' lead was to be short-lived. The Dragons broke forward through hooker Sam Parry. When the Ospreys were caught offside, Jones continued his 100% record from the kicking tee to put the home side back ahead. When Rhys Webb was sent to the sin-bin moments later, the game was up for the Ospreys. But Steffan Jones still had time to make sure of the win with his 6th successful kick of the evening to give the Dragons victory, their first in this season's cup, by 18 points to 14.